Hey everybody, Alex here with Momentum Charting. I just wanted to take a couple minutes here today in case you weren't already aware. If you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and watch the video on the QQQs that I did yesterday and as well as the day before. I think I've updated 2 days in a row now, but I just want everybody to be aware that now these signals that I've been watching for a potential reversal, right? A potential ABC style reversal are now in place. So we're looking here something possibly like this: A, B, and C, and potentially prices here on the Qs and broad markets are getting set to correct here in a big way. Now it's not guaranteed, but it is possible, and the facts are that there's not we've got some negative divergences and stuff that are built up on some certain time frames like 3 hour, 4 hour, and there's limited kind of momentum support on daily. So I just want everybody to be really careful and really aware that this correction could start getting really bad, at least in the short term. Now, the thing is, this correction is only going to be short term, okay? And what it's going to do is flush out some of the weaker hands in the market, and it's going to create, if and when it develops like it possibly could, it's going to scare a lot of people because it's going to be that significant to the downside, force a lot of weak hands out of the market, but very importantly, silver lining, create a fantastic buying opportunity for all of us. So we can pick up some cheap stock, cheap options, all that type of stuff at a bottom here when it develops. So you're not going to want to miss my continued updates of the Qs over the next week or so, just so we're all on the same page and all able to get as close as possible to picking off this bottom on the Qs and Nasdaq broad markets if and when it happens. Okay, so I just want everyone to be aware of that. We can see here, right now here on the 3 hour momentum now pointing straight to the downside. And let me open up just the chart here of the Qs on the MACD. This was in yesterday's video the trend line that I drew you guys. I said if this breaches to the downside, be careful, big warning signs. It's time to exit the market. I thought there was a strong possibility this was going to break up today, but instead here this started breaking down first thing this morning, and right around 7:05 in the morning this trend line broke strong to the downside. So we do want to be careful here, okay? And the other thing I wanted to show you, it's not only like the momentum and some other broad indicators that are giving some warning signs here, it is also this chart of the VIX. Yeah, so this is giving off a big warning here too, guys. This channel that I've been watching as a warning has now just today broken to the upside. Okay, last time that happened here was on July 16th, and we proceeded to just absolutely spike to the upside over the next couple days. So I'm anticipating the potential of something like this happening here. And if you look at the alignment of this of the MACD, if this breaks to the upside here like it potentially could because of the positive divergent bottoms, 1, 2, 3, and now before this has even started curling up here on the MACD, we've broken out of this trend line. When this breaks to the upside, this is going to be a devastatingly strong move to the upside in the VIX, and correspondingly bad move to the downside for markets. So that's it. That's basically the entirety of my update. I just wanted to get that out there for you guys in case you missed my video yesterday about the importance of this trend line and the Qs, which did break to the downside. So let's just be aware there's a potential for this kind of ABC correction to the downside right now in the markets. So out of short-term swing trades, all of that fun stuff. Let's wait and see where this goes. The silver lining, there's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity if the worst of this correction does come true over the next week and change. So that's it, guys. Make sure you don't want to miss any of my updates of the Qs over the next week or so. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates moving forward. Thank you so much. I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye for now.